How to fix Reconnect to rank match error in Rainbow Six Siege. So this is actually case-to-case basis. So it actually depends on where you are currently playing the game. So say for example, you're playing this game via Ubisoft, then all you have to do is just simply restart or even change servers. This actual error code is actually referring to the connectivity issue. Check if you're connected to the internet, and then check if you have maximum or decent amount of signal so that you should not having this error. The next thing to do is just to restart the main client of the game on where you're playing it. So those are just basic troubleshooting steps that you will do. Just simply restart the game. If not working, then simply change the server to a different server. So that is how you troubleshoot and fix rank match error in Rainbow Six Siege.